It's good to see you. I hope you are feeling fine. I want to show you one of my favorite lip liner pencils and how to apply it for a nice, natural, filled-in, moisturized lip look. This is Milani Color Statement Lip Liner Pencil, and it's in number 9, the color Spice. Spice is a warm, pinkish brown that will complement many different skin tones and will look good on any age. I am loving this lip liner, the color, how smoothly it goes on, and I love that you can sharpen it. Because those automatic lip liners that are plastic and you just turn them, they never seem to have that much product in them. And these sharpening pencils are wood, and I feel like they're much better for the environment than the plastic ones. Look at the nice sharp point you can get. I've seen a few reviews of people not liking this lip liner, saying that it's hard and doesn't go on smoothly. That's not the experience that I've had at all. It is smooth and goes on easy. Is it long wearing? Well, not really. It's not marketed as a long wearing, but when you sandwich it between a lip balm, it lasts pretty well. This is not tested on animals, of course. There are 7 other flattering colors available. All but one color are vegan. The True Red contains carmine, which makes it not a vegan product. You can get Milani Color Statement Lip Liner for the amazing price of $5.99. A lip liner can be used in different ways. It is mainly used to outline your lips and prevent your lipstick from spreading or feathering. It will also help extend the wear of your lipstick. Usually you will find a lipstick that's similar in shade to your lip liner. But some people like to use a dark liner and something lighter, kind of an 80s look that I avoid. So you can also use a lip liner to fill your entire lip in, because it will last a little longer than a regular lipstick. And if you really love the color, like I love this color, then you can fill your whole lip in. So let me show you how to sandwich it between lip balm to create a moist feeling on your lips. We'll be using Milani Spice and a lip balm to create this look. Blistex Medicated Mint is my favorite lip balm. First, apply a lip balm to moisturize your lips and create a nice primer-like base for the lip liner. Use your finger to massage it into your lips. Start by lining your lips at the Cupid's bow. Slightly draw outside the natural lip line to create a fuller looking lip. Move to the bottom lip and also draw slightly outside the lip line to create a fuller lip. Now fill the entire lip with the pencil. A lip liner usually has a heavier, waxier feeling than a lipstick. The layers of lip balm will make it feel smooth and comfortable. Now we'll add another layer of lip balm. There you have it. You have a nice, flattering, nude, natural looking lip. As always, I thank you for watching and liking, subscribing, and sharing. See you in the next one.